Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Lapwai, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of long-distance movers make it easier with the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We make sure relocating is easier than if you try to do it yourself. Our team makes moving 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles hassle-free. Sure, you'll still have a new city or town to get used to, but the process of moving becomes so much easier. With the help of an Idaho moving company, you get the services you need for a local move. Maybe you don't have the time to do it to yourself, or if you simply don't want to. Professional movers can save you a ton of time and energy. You can even hire movers to do the packing and unpacking. 3 men and a truck provide you with every local moving service you need. We make it simple for you to move across town or just down the road. Our team will help make your moving days more streamlined. If it would take you all weekend to move, we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lapwai moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.